I'm about to share 7 psychological tips to turn any woman on instantly. Grab a pen and paper, pay attention. All right, let's run through point number 1. You want to set the mood. That's right, it's not rocket science. Make sure everything smells nice, put on music, make sure everything's clean and tidy around the house, your apartment, whatever that is. Setting the mood is so important because it adds to the experience. Us women, we love our chick flicks. We love walking in and feeling like this guy's got it going on. The cleaner, the tidier, the more fragrant it is, whether you've got, I don't know, food cooking or you've got the scent of a man in your house. Not the locker room kind of scent, like the nice, musky, like I want you passionate kind, okay? The next thing, I would say to ditch pornography. Don't mention it, don't use it. This is something that a lot of women are actually very insecure and sensitive about, especially if they don't look anything like the porn models that you see there. In their mind, it's going to think like they're distracting from the moment. You must be imagining this person. So now, I'm not saying that couples don't use pornography or maybe you might enjoy it, but when you're first getting to know someone, especially you're trying to set that mood, last thing you want to do is create some competition or mental competition in her brain, all right? So keep it out of the way. Third thing is you want to learn all the best places to touch her. So you make sure you know what the erogenous zones are, all right? So where they are is her hips, the earlobes, anywhere around the neck. You know what's interesting, the small of her back, touching her face. Now, and the scalp too, right? Like we all love a great head massage. We all love, being touched around this area. The décolletage, small of the back, hips. Actually, what's also really an interesting place to touch is back of the knee, believe it or not. It's so interesting. Like forearms, skin, any opportunity where you can just gently place your hand in erogenous zones, that will help set the mood. It is psychological. She is going to start thinking about sex and you in compromising positions. All right, the next thing is you want to learn how to build sexual anticipation. That's right. The biggest and most important sex organ is her brain. So you really want to turn that on. You want to slow it down. You may want to start with the texting, the insinuation. Oh my God, I can't wait to see you later. You are so sexy. You are so naughty. Whatever it is that you're going to say, you have me so hot right now, you are going to get in big trouble or you're going to get me in trouble. A good one would be to say, you better keep your distance because I don't know what I'm going to do to you. Anything that you can get her mind triggered thinking about that experience with you, knowing that you desire her, that you crave her in a sexual way, that's going to absolutely turn things on. All right, next point. Master the art of kissing. My gosh, if you are a bad kisser, it is like game over. Kissing is the gateway to all things sexual. So when you are a great kisser, it sets the mood. It gets her flowing, everything, okay? A sensual kisser also gives her an idea of what it's like to make love to you, okay? And what it's like as a potential partner. And maybe she can imagine those lips moving in other places. So it's really important that you are an incredible kisser. Number 6, you want to show your dominance, your masculinity. I'm not saying cockiness. I'm saying assertion, be assertive. You don't want to be too aggressive or creepy. There's a fine line there, but you are masculine. You show up. You're also a gentleman. You open doors. You look out for her space. You protect her. You make her feel like you're in control. You make the plans. You call, you text, you be everything that a man is supposed to do, okay? And then finally, last and most important tip for you to get her excited is to just be confident. Show your confidence, show your success, be the person that attracts abundance in your life. anything that you want, you manifest. Things that are attracted to you. Other women are attracted to you, which is what makes you even more high value, that you are not accessible. You gotta be that top 1%, that top 10%. Even if you're not, you have to have that attitude that you will be. So there you have it. Those are the 7 psychological tips to get any woman excited by you. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video.